Hi, it's Mark Homan from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. We're here at Walt Disney World in Florida at Hollywood Studios, and I'm making amazing pictures today. And everyone asks me, so Mark, how do you do that when you're on a family trip, a travel trip, when you don't want to bring a big camera? I just don't bring a big camera. So what have I got? I've got my Nikon Z7 II with the brand new Nikon 26mm lens. It's flat. You can see it's only about a thumb thickness wide. And it makes traveling in photography easy. It's an f2.8 lens, so I can shoot indoors. It's a 26mm wide angle, so it gives a great view. And I've been photographing all day with just this lens, indoors and outdoors, making amazing pictures. It's a lot better than using my phone, and it's a lot smaller than bringing my big kit. So having a small camera and a small lens makes fun photography easy and doable. Mark Homan from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. Bring your camera and let's make an awesome picture together.